Good Sunday morning, everyone. Today we are going to elaborate Keynes' second theory. Yesterday we discussed about first theory, 5 points of principle of economy. Today we are going to go into theory of taxes, money and employment. Keynes has emphasized that no matter what, government must keep the taxes low. Direct taxes as well as indirect taxes both must be minimal, absolutely minimal. Then and then economy will boom. Recession can be tamed and economic prosperity can be attained. But if government is looting us and escorting us by taxes, then the economy will never grow, consumerism will never grow, corporate world will never grow, markets will never grow. I give you a simple analogy. Say, for example, Indian government charges us 50%, and it happened during the time of Indira Gandhi, taxes were 72%. Excuse me. 72% taxes the government is going to take away. 72% out of 100 rupees that you are earning. That means you have only 28 rupees in your hand as a liquidable cash. So you are going to go to the market. You're going to spend only 28 rupees out of 100 that you are earning. But think that scenario was reversed. Government will charge you 28% tax. Then you have 72% of your income in your pocket. Now you are going to go to the market and you are going to spend 72 rupees. Previously 28 rupees. Now you are going to spend 72 rupees. Means you are boosting economy. You are boosting consumerism. You are boosting demand. You are boosting supply. And when supply goes up, then companies are going to need lots of people to work. And this way, employment also goes up. So this is what Keynes has said. I have prepared 4 points. First one is taxes. Lower direct and indirect taxes, generating more revenue for the state, corporate world, and consumers. There are nations in the world, including Japan, where they charge 35% corporate tax. So whatever the profit the corporates make, 35% out of that profit is going to the government exchequers. They have only 65% left. So they are going to expand, diversify, whatever they want to do with 65%. But there are nations in Latin America, China, Russia, where the corporate tax is only 10%. So those corporations in Russia and China and Brazil and other places, they are going to spend 90% of their profit in research, development, CSR, corporate governance, and most of all, diversification, expansion, and all kinds of things. Mao West has said, money is the seed of money. Now, if I have money, I can expand my business. But if government takes away my money in the form of various kinds of taxes, direct and indirect, I don't have anything to expand. That is what India's problem is. Small remains small. Micro remains micro. Mid remains mid. Large remains large. So, development you can find in top-notch industries, large industry MNCs. But micro, small, and medium, MSML. So MSM, they remain at the same place, totally stagnant, mainly because government actually eat away all their profits in the form of different kinds of taxes. Point number 2 is money. Now think about Bangladesh is so dirt poor and America is so filthy rich. Do you know Bangladesh economy is 700 billion, not even 1 trillion. American economy is 25 trillion. Money generates money. Money is the seed of money. Money is the motherlode of money. If you have 1 crore rupees, you can make 2 crore rupees in a year. But if you have 1 lakh rupees, then you are going to double into 2 lakh only. And if you don't have anything, nothing can be earned. Now, American companies like Warren Buffett's company, they are worth $400 billion. So every year they can make about 50 billion, 60 billion more. Now companies' wealth, companies' worth, companies' turnover, profit margin, every single thing grows, and within the next 10 years, this company would be in 2031, this Warren Buffett's company will be from 400 billion to 800 billion. Money generates money. Money is the motherlode of money. Money is the seed of money. Point number 3 is employment. Employment can be created only one way, by surging the demand. If people are going to consume more, conspicuously and prodigally, that they are going to demand more and the companies are going to produce more. Very simple. People should indulge in conspicuous consumption. Instead of spending 10,000 during this post-COVID era, they must spend 20, 30, 40, 50% more. That is why Warren Buffett says the savers are the villain of economy. Don't save. If you are going to save too much, then you are going to destroy your economy. Warren Buffett has not said that don't save. Yes, they save 4% only. He has asked the consumer to save 4% and asked the government to save 20%. Automatically, within 10 years, economy would double. Economy would definitely double from our $5 trillion economy to $10 trillion. So people should go out and buy, shop till they drop. But how people can buy? If people don't have money, how they can buy? So government can actually surreptitiously allow these people to have more money. Which way? One way is to lower their taxes. Today in India, we pay around 30 to 35% taxes. If government is going to reduce the tax to 10%, then we will have 90% of our income in our hand. Out of 90%, we are going to spend 50% and 40% going to our saving. Everybody is happy. Government is smiling. We are smiling because we are spending more, enjoying life, and family is smiling because of future saving for future expenses is also created. So, most important thing, that is why they say economy is us. People are economy. If people have money, they are going to spend it, and if they spend it, the companies are going to produce. And when companies are going to produce more raw material will be consumed, more taxes will be paid, more energy will be consumed, and more employment will be generated. Everybody would be working 2 jobs in the nation. This simple formula or simple definition cannot be understood, cannot be fathomed, cannot be comprehended by our nitwit, numbnut leaders. So, according to Keynes, these are the 3 elements by which economy can be turned around, whether pre-COVID economy or post-COVID economy. Every economy can be targeted with these 3 things. First, most important thing is the lowest taxes and the lower interest rate. So borrower can borrow more, like America had 0% interest for long period of time. And Japan has 0% interest for a couple of scores of time, means 20 to 40 years, 0% interest and the economy turned around. That's all the time we have. Thank you very much for listening. See you again next time. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Amen.